Hello, friends. Welcome to our cooking class. Today, we're going to learn all the cooking verbs you need to know to become a great chef. Ready? Here we go. Peel. Peel. Repeat after me. Peel. Super duper. Chop. Chop. Repeat after me. Chop. Brilliant. Fry. Fry. Repeat after me. Fry. Great job. Toast. Toast. Repeat after me. Toast. You're doing so well. Blend. Blend. Repeat after me. Blend. Good work. Heat. Heat. Repeat after me. Heat. Amazing. Cut. Cut. Repeat after me. Cut. Awesome. Weigh. Weigh. Repeat after me. Weigh. Way to go. Boil. Boil. Repeat after me. Boil. Awesome. Roast. Roast. Repeat after me. Roast. Brilliant. We've learned so many new verbs. Let's recap them so we won't forget them, okay? Peel. Chop. Fry. Toast. Blend. Heat. Cut. Weigh. Boil. Roast. Well done, friends.